doing this, okay? I'm definitely not doing this. I'm just taking little bitty steps, and I'm walking out that spine, pushing that mortar together. I'm going to come about 4 inches from the edge, then I can turn around, come clear back to the middle, and this is something you don't want to get in a hurry about. Take your time on this. This is an important part of it. Same thing again, very little steps. I'm going to go all the way to about 4 inches from the edge. Once I get the spine, I might want to remove the rack. That would be an ideal situation, and I can loosen it. So we'll get the rack out of here. As soon as this rack comes out, 1, 2, 3. Team 1, Team 2, you're the ones that are going to take the rack as soon as Team 1 is installed. Take it back. Put it back on your card if you want. So watch what I'm doing. I've walked out the spine. Once I've done that, I can start working my way to the edge. Now look at how little steps I'm taking. Just little bitty half steps, just shuffling over. Get to about 3 inches from the edge, I can move back to the middle. Same thing this way. Now what I don't want to do is this. Because if I do this, what I've done is I've trapped air in there. Once I step here, I'm closing those ridges up, and now I've got this pocket between my 2 feet where that air can't escape, okay? So I want to keep it really short steps, okay? This should take maybe 8 minutes or so to do a sheet. It's also good to have the same person do this, or someone of similar size. You've got a 100-pound guy doing it on one sheet, and a 300-pound guy doing it on another sheet. That can create some differences, especially with this thixotropic properties. So I want to keep a similar sized person. I'm going to do the same thing after I go left to right. I'm going to step up. Same thing, just shuffling over to the edge. Get about 3 inches away, go back to the middle. Shuffle over to the edge, get about 3 inches away, go back to the middle, move forward. I'm going to do the whole sheet. Now the only thing that we haven't done at this point is the edges. I'm going to take that vibrating tool of Casey's, and now we're going to vibrate in the edges. We're going to take that vibrating tool all along these edges on the 3 sides that aren't going to receive tile, okay? So this side isn't going to receive tile, this side isn't going to receive tile, and this side isn't. This side will receive tile, so we do not want to vibrate that side, okay? After it's walked in, someone needs to go over it, vibrating it all in. Any questions at this point?